Huku hayo yakijiri, mkewe Rais William Ruto, Mama Rachel Ruto, leo alifanya maombi maalum kuliombea taifa, ambapo alikuwa akitangamana na baadhi ya viongozi wakuu katika makanisa mbalimbali hapa nchini, maombi ambayo yalifanyika katika ukumbi wa KICC hapa Nairobi.
And his mercies are all around. For the Lord is so good, and his mercies are all around. Tell your neighbor, test and see that the Lord is so good. Tell somebody, test and see that the Lord is so good. Tell your neighbor.
There is so much happening in our nation in terms of what government is doing. The program that the president has on the better agenda, you know, leading the nation to where he wants the nation to do, you know, together with all the other government leaders. You know, I know you watch the president talk, and I want to encourage us, Church of Jesus Christ, to be people who follow what our leaders are saying and doing. You know, projects like the affordable housing project, universal health care, food security. Archbishop has told us about issues of manufacturing and so on and so forth. Let's be partakers of what the government is doing. Amen? Let's be partakers as children of God.
Weekend iliyopita, taarifa za mbunge wa Mumias ya Mashariki kumzaba kofi